you've been following along with our lead gen mini course series here on YouTube, then stick around because I am thinking about ending it, and I will tell you why right now. Paul James here. Welcome back to the channel today. I am so happy you are here. Listen, if you want more tutorials and you do not want me to put an end to this lead gen series, I want to make sure you're subscribed right now and tick that bell notification icon. All right, guys, so here's what's going on. I've had a lot of fun putting together this mini course for you guys, and I've gotten so much great feedback, and I'm really happy about that. It's been some of my most engaging videos, and people have been watching, you know, all the way through a lot of them, and I've been getting a lot of comments and a lot of thumbs up. But I gotta be honest with you guys, I have to hold you accountable because I am not sure if you're taking action. And if you're not taking action, quite frankly, it's a waste of my time to continue this series because I can be working on other things that generate revenue in my other businesses. As you know, YouTube is something that is not my main money maker, okay? It does drive revenue for me, yes, but my time is spent better somewhere else. But I do these videos because it helps you guys, and I like to see you guys successful and see you actually getting a benefit of what I'm teaching. But I realize that that can only happen if you're taking action. If you're simply coming here to watch my videos and take in the information but not ever take action, then putting together a series like this that is so in-depth and takes so much of my time to do is really not worth it if you're not going to take action on it. So here's what I've done. I've gone through the series so far, and I'm kind of at a crossroads here. Should I continue it or should I end it? I need to figure out if you guys are actually taking action, and I figured out the perfect way. Now, not only is this going to make me feel better about continuing the series and putting more time into it, because even if I can reach just a small percentage of you who are actually following through, that's fine, and I will continue the series. But I need to know that that's actually happening. So here's what I've done. I've gone through the 3 videos we've put together. I'll leave links in them below if you haven't watched them. It's not too late for you to go and take action, by the way. If you want me to continue this series, you can still, and you can go follow those 3 videos and take action. What I want you to do is I've gone and I've totaled up about on average how many views we're getting. And it looks like anywhere from between 2,000 to 5,000 views. And I realize that these are probably going to get a lot more views over time. Now, if we take the low end, 2,000 views, I figure if even only 5% of you guys would take action on this, it would still be worth doing, because 5% of people, even though that doesn't sound like a lot, in the online marketing world, that is a lot. That's a lot of people taking action, and I would be more than happy helping 5% of people get some awesome results. That is 100 of you, okay? So keep in mind, we have 2,000 to 5,000 people actively following this series, and likely more. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a link, the first link in the description, with a form that I want you to fill out. It's just 2 responses. I wanna know your name, and I wanna know your website that you built following this tutorial. I'm going to go through and I'm going to look at it. And if it doesn't look like what we've been doing, then I'm not going to count it. But I want to see 100 responses, 100 of you, okay? That's only 5%. Once I see 100 submissions come in, and don't worry, I will not share your work with anyone. I will not copy them. I've got my own stuff going on. Believe me, I don't need to copy or steal your ideas. But in order for me to know that you are holding yourself accountable, and now I'm physically forcing you to be held accountable, I am not going to continue this series until we get 100 responses. Now listen, I don't care if this takes 30 minutes of me posting this video and we get 100 responses, then awesome. I will continue this series. I will continue talking about how to optimize your website, on-page optimization, how many pages you need to build. I will continue to talk about backlinks and what kind of backlinks you need to go after. I will help you get this website going so that you can start selling leads. And I will do it for free, but only if you're taking action, okay? So I don't care if it takes 30 minutes after posting this video and I see 100 of your different websites built. Again, it just needs to be 1 website per person. You submit it. If you've built multiple websites, you can submit those so that I can see them. But I wanna know 100 of you are taking action. And I don't care if it takes 30 minutes or if it takes a month. 30 days. That's fine. Then I'll continue the series 30 days from now. So if you haven't taken action yet, then you'll want to do everyone else a favor, because this is your chance for you guys all to work together. You all need to take action right now and go out and follow those 3 tutorials I link in the description, and then submit your form proving you've taken action. And as soon as I get 100 responses, I will continue this free series. I think that's a fair deal. Let me know what you guys think. Comment below. And if you have any questions holding you back from completing the steps that we've talked about, you only have to complete the steps we talked about so far. Just prove to me you've built out a website. I'll help you with the rest from there once we get going. Okay? All right, guys. Thank you so much. It's been fun, and I hope that we can continue it. So I'm going to hold you guys accountable, because I know you're counting on me, but I'm counting on you, and I know in order for this to work, you have to be held accountable. So there's no point in continuing if you're not going to take action. Okay, guys. We'll wrap this video up. Thank you for watching. I am Paul James. Peace out.